Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla and I am the software industry expert from past 2 decades. Getting started. Introduction. Welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use of practical exercises. How to get help. Check with your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques you need to apply. Submit your questions on Ask QA forum for detailed what you have tried with the screenshot of error code practiced by you. How to approach the course. Best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with notebook extra information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples the parts of video sessions. Query exercise and solution. You will be assigned a simple query exercise for your course journey to be test your skill level, which is based on your previous lectures. And anyhow, you will be guided the solution for this query exercise, what you have practiced and what is the correct solution for this. I hope you will greatly enjoy this course. I'll see you inside the course. Thank you.